Welcome back to Graphics Mirror with a new graphics video. So let's start. Add a solid color of light dark gray, color in background. Add text as of shadow and resize it. Add drop shadow to it with these dimensions. Now add letter J and resize it. Now add letter A. Type letter D. Again add letter O. At last add letter W. Add red color to both letter D and W and O. Create a group of these text layers. Create a copy of this text layer. Now flip it to horizontal. Now add gradient to the horizontal. Subscribe to Graphics Mirror for more lovely graphics. And thanks for watching.